What if black holes aren't the cosmic prisons we thought they were? For decades, scientists believed that black holes swallow everything matter, light, even information ever to be seen again. But now, a theory called fuzzballs is shaking up that belief. According to string theory, which says everything is made up of tiny vibrating strings, black holes might not have a single point of no return. Instead, they could be fuzzy balls of tangled strings. Imagine a giant, vibrating tangle of energy, storing everything it consumes. This is important because it could solve the famous black hole information paradox. See, quantum physics says information can't be destroyed, but black holes seem to break that rule. If fuzzballs are real, they might store all the information from everything they absorb: stars, planets, even light, and release it slowly over time as radiation, meaning nothing is truly lost. Physicist Samir Mathur, one of the key figures behind the fuzzball theory, says that black holes don't have a traditional event horizon at all. Instead, what we think of as a black hole might just be a super complex structure of space and time, like a cosmic maze where different dimensions meet, twist, and fold into each other. Some researchers even describe these as supermazes built from 2- and 5-dimensional brains. It's still theoretical, but if true, it could be a major step toward finally uniting general relativity and quantum mechanics, bringing us closer to the ultimate goal, a theory of everything. So, the next time you think of a black hole as a simple void, remember inside might be the most complex, information-rich puzzle in the entire universe.